There are many different ways to grow vegetables, but creating a vegetable growing model that saves time on daily care will be very attractive to busy people. In today's video, I introduce an interesting and unique model of growing vegetables at home using an automatic irrigation system. I hope you like it. With surplus ingredients that are easy to find at home, you can create your own vegetable growing model at home with an automatic watering system like this. Inspired by ancient oil lamps, I created a water tank, a water supply line and a wick to absorb water to supply the plants. This upper compartment is where the soil is stored. You need about 2 kilograms of soil to plant each vase. With this planting method, the soil will be very airy, creating favorable conditions for the tree roots to easily develop. This automatic water suction system provides water for plants for about 5 to 6 days, eliminating the need for you to water every day. This is a 3-week-old kohlrabi plant. It only takes a few minutes to create a vegetable growing model with an automatic watering system for your vegetable plants. After harvesting, you just need to add nutrients to the soil and plant a new batch of vegetables. Thanks for visiting my channel to watch videos about gardening. Hope these tips will be interesting for you. Subscribe to the channel to receive new videos. See you again.